to Keeping It Creepy. I'm Keha, and for today's tutorial, I thought it would be fun to make a little Trypophobia makeup. You know, if you don't know what Trypophobia is, I hope I'm saying it right. It is the fear of all kinds of tiny little hole clusters. So I thought that would be a fun little tutorial to do. So yeah, we're just gonna make ourselves look holy. But without further ado, you know what time it is. It's time to get our creep on. Let's go. So to begin, we are just going to be applying some Pros-Aide and gluing some plastic over our eyebrow, our eye, and our mouth. And then we're just going to cover our entire face in Bondo, which is a great idea when you have no remover, but that's just me. So yeah, we're just coating our whole face in it except for one of our eyes, and then we're going to use some rubbing alcohol to smooth that out and really blend it into the skin. Once it's all smooth, you want to take the back of a paintbrush and start putting all kinds of tiny little holes all over your face. And this is kind of up to you of what size you want the holes to be. You can make them bigger and smaller and vary them up. I pretty much went between two different sized holes, but yeah, it's pretty much up to what feels right to you. And we're just going to cover our whole face in all of those holes. Once that's done, we want to dry it and then powder it thoroughly. And we're going to go over these holes and put a thin layer of red. This will really help to blend the makeup into our skin when we go to put on our foundation tone. So then we're just going to start putting on our foundation tone and blending this whole look into our skin. And now we're just going in with a few different shades of red and filling in those holes individually, which made my arm pretty sore because it was a lot of holes. And then we're going to go through and contour around our eye a little bit just to make sure that this look blends in seamlessly with our face. And then I went through and added some blooding just a little bit, and there you have the finished look. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. If you wanted to, you could go through and darken those holes even deeper with like a black or a purple, but my arm was sore and I chose not to do this. Hopefully you learned a thing or two about how to make yourself look holy. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave any comments or suggestions you have below. And remember to keep it creepy. The higher the hair, the closer to God. Pretty high. I got dad jokes for days.